I'm here at the Benalio landfill here in Cebu City, the Philippines, following a massive and deadly collapse that happened last Thursday, January 8th. It's been described as an open dump site rather than a sanitary facility. And behind and beside me are the families and relatives of the victims still currently trapped at the rubble.
Kuan milagro na lang jud, miracle na lang jud na naapay kinabuhi na makuha nila diha sa sud. Pero para nako dawat lang siguro namo kay pwestos kayo ang mga basura. Labi na nag-uwan gahapon tibok adlaw na siguro to na nag-uwan kusog kaayo. Kay siguro na nga poison na to sila. Ang amua unta buhi man upatay makuha lang jud ang mga lawas diha aron mahimutang sad namo sa saktong kuan nila butanganan mahilo na ilang mga kalag